guys, welcome back to Fair DTV, heading all the way over to Marbella, Spain. Okay guys, let me tell you, so I tried scuba diving for the first time in Spain and it was absolutely amazing. Any trip I go on here on out, I will definitely be doing some scuba diving. So just arrived at Puerto de Tarifa to get on this ferry to head to Morocco. I will update you guys once we get on the ferry, which is looking like it's right over there. So finally walking to the ferry. I got baby. We're headed to Morocco. So what's super cool about Spain is you can get to a lot of different countries just from a short ferry ride or a short drive. On this trip, we decided to stop in Morocco for a day. In Morocco, which is extremely hot, by the way, we met up with our friend Aziz, who showed us around different markets and different restaurants. So we actually stopped in a market while we were over there that sold handmade scarves, and a gentleman in there was actually trying to sell 200 of his camels to my fiance to win me over. Thankfully, my fiance rejected his offer.
تبعوا فيرا دي تي في بالعربية.
So the next morning back in Spain, we decided to all head over to an animal sanctuary where we got to spend time with baby monkeys and pet tigers. You'll see it in the videos coming up. Oh, look at how cute he is.
Oh, wow, that's so cute.
Okay, so he's 21 days old.
21
days old. This is a rhesus macaque. Rhesus macaques are the monkeys that are historically used in labs.
So one of the other days while we were in Spain, my brother, cousin, fiance, and I decided to do the Caminito del Rey cliff walk. You'll see the pictures coming up. It was so much fun. It was about 5 miles, so it's a pretty good hike. If you don't like heights, do not do this. Okay, let me tell you about the food really quick in Spain. It is absolutely amazing. The paella is delicious. They have lots of goat cheese, which I personally love. I think it was some of the best food I've ever tried out of all the different countries I've been to around the world. We decided to do another day trip to visit the Rock of Gibraltar. Okay guys, I'm gonna show you the house. So here's a little day bed, and you have some grassed area. There's like a garden down there with the pool, and then a little outdoor seating area. And you got your couch and outdoor living. The Airbnb we stayed at was insane, you guys. It was indoor, outdoor living area. We had a game room downstairs where we would catch some Formula One races. As you can see in the video, we decided to go all race go-karts one day because we were super competitive and all thought we could be Formula One racers for the day. By the way, if anyone's wondering, I totally won. This was our family trip of 2022 with my family. So we were with my parents, my brother, my aunt and uncle, my cousin, and of course my fiance. We had the most amazing time. I love my family. I love being around them, and I cannot wait to see where we go next year. Thank you guys so much for watching, and go look out for my next video where I'll be talking about all things wedding. In the meantime, go like, comment, and subscribe and catch up on all my other videos.
Follow please Farah DTV.